Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aiachain. Ticker symbol is AIA. This coin is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting November 29th. We're going to go over the information on the AIA coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So Aiachain is a programmable smart contract blockchain compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM. The AIA smart chain retains the fast execution time, low transaction fees, and high security of Ethernet, while adding smart contract functionality to support compatible dApps. Aiachain's endogenous token is the AIA native token, which utilizes APOS consensus mechanism. Aiachain will continue to improve the efficiency of the public chain through layer 2, which will greatly complement and extend the public chain ecosystem. Now, if you want to find their block explorer or their scan here, it says here, AIAscan.com is where you can find that. And it says they have average block time of 3 seconds. Total transactions is 61,184,308. Total blocks, 24,748,001. And wallet address is 5,383,258. Then it has the price, which looks like about a quarter of a penny right now. And yeah, you can find all the transactions, all that type of stuff on their block explorer there. So check out their scan. Then they have their Twitter. And as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there at Aiachain. And they have their link tree on there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Their webpage, aiachain.org. And their Telegram is at aiachain.org. And then their most recent tweet talking about their brand new Mexc global listing. So if you're looking to get this coin and you don't have an Mexc global account, I do have an Mexc global referral code down there in the description box. So November 29th at 9 o'clock UTC time, it's available on Mexc Global. All you would have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AIA, and then simply just buy the coin. It's that easy. So it supports dApps. It supports, it has the native token here. It says, we believe in the power of blockchain technology, which will make society more transparent and open. We are committed to promoting development and application in this technology. Abide by the principles of honesty, fairness, transparency, openness, and trust, and let blockchain create greater value for the entire human society. And look forward to a more open, transparent, free, and equal future. We look forward to having a prosperous world. AIA Smart Chain's vision is to become the leading decentralized digital economy ecosystem. We are committed to promoting the development of new innovative tech for businesses, as well as providing support and assistance to innovative projects around the world. and jointly promoting the development and prosperity of the digital economy. We welcome you to join us and explore the infinite possibilities of this digital economy together. So they have the distribution program on here, and it talks about they have a total amount of 100 billion AIA tokens. They refer to it as a token. You know, technically people get kind of they'd be sticklers about it, but it's technically a coin because it's running on its own blockchain. But even them, they use token interchangeably here. So they say it's distributed between angel investors, coin holders, early contributors, incentives, technical team, operation and marketing, eco-development and project support, a cross-chain incentive pool, and AI computing power sharing platform. So in the first year, it says equals early holding contributors plus block mining plus other uses released. So they have different releasing schedules for coins on here as well. So it says it's also cross-chain. So assets such as Bitcoin, ETH, and stablecoins can be mapped to the AIA chain via the asset bridge. This is achieved by locking a certain number of tokens on the original chain and then generating a corresponding number of tokens on the AIA chain. They encourage developers to provide more decentralized cross-chain solutions. They also have meta transactions, supports meta transaction features that allow users to gradually reduce the gas fee, and AIA chain will pay the reduced portion of the gas fee. The meta transaction features allows to minimize migration costs for dApp developers and effectively reduce costs for dApp users. Some of the technical features: an open and decentralized network to maintain network and asset security, programmability with AVM support and smart contract compatibility to reduce development and migration costs. Meta transaction functions reduces gas fees and effectively reduces the cost of chain developers and users. And lastly, supports cross-chain asset transfers to optimize user experience. Now you can download like a full lengthy white paper here. They have it in Chinese and in English. Just be aware that these blockchain white papers are extremely lengthy. You could probably read it for an hour or two. You can find like kind of the cliff notes on their webpage, aiachain.org, and you can also find a link to their dApp, wallet, swap, explorer, docs, change the language. They have an AIA Foundation coming soon you'll be able to click on. You can also click on team information on there. Check out their full link tree that's on their Twitter there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Check out the referral codes and peace out.